Hi to the students, today we are going to discuss the construction of trapezium, page number 77, exercise 3.5, C problem. So, construct a trapezium ABCD in which AB parallel to CD, AB is equal to 8 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, angle B 60 degrees, BC 6 centimeters children. These are the given measurements. So, this is different from the remaining type of quadrilaterals. So, we have to learn properly about this one. Understand? So, go through the rough diagram of this one, rough sketch or rough diagram of construction of trapezium. One time recall the properties of trapezium. A trapezium in which one pair of sides are parallel called a trapezium. Here AB parallel to CD. AB is 8 centimeter, CD is 4 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter, angle B 60 degrees. These are the given measurements for us. Here, one time just recall the properties. In a trapezium, pair of adjacent angles are supplementary. When angle B is 60 degrees, automatically angle C is 120 degrees because angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. Pair of adjacent angles, angle B plus angle C, otherwise angle A plus angle D also equal to 180 degrees children. Okay, go through the main diagram. First of all, AB is taken as 8 centimeters. AB is taken as 8 centimeters. I have to took the main diagram. This like, take this one as 8 centimeters. This is AB. This one is 8 centimeters children. AB is 8. Angle B how much? 60 degrees. So, using compass we need to construct the angle 60 degrees. Take some convenient radius and with the B as center, draw an arc as shown in the figure. Okay children. With the same radius here onwards, cut this one. This angle is said to be how much degrees? 60 degrees. Draw a ray BX making an angle 60 degrees. Draw a ray BX draw a ray BX making an angle 60 degrees. Now, BC is how much children? BC is 6 centimeters. Take 6 centimeters on the scale. Take 6 centimeters on the scale. Draw an arc intersecting the PVS ray at C. The intersecting point is taken as C. This is 60 degrees and this one is 6 centimeters. Now, we already say that angle B plus angle C equal to, here I have to write the analysis, angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees because the both are said to be pair of adjacent angles. Angle B is 60 plus angle C is 180 degrees. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees children. It is 120 degrees. Angle C is 120. So, C near we need to keep 120 degrees children. How we need to keep 120 degrees? From C near onwards and with some convenient radius, draw an arc, take C as center, draw an arc this like, with the same radius here onwards. First arc is 60 degrees, second one is 120 degrees children. This is 120 degrees. Draw a ray CY making the angle. 60, 120. Once again I have to draw the angle because a little bit of difference came for us for the main diagram. Take C as center, draw an arc this like. Okay, here onwards first arc is 60 degrees, second arc is 120 degrees children for us. CY. One time just we need to check the angle also. A small differences came for us. Once again we need to construct the angle. Draw a ray BX once again, some convenient radius, draw a ray this like. Here onwards with the same radius cut this one 60 degrees, draw a ray BX making an angle. Yes, draw a ray BX making an angle this much. (60°). This one is 6 centimeters. So we need to take with the 6 centimeters. Here onwards, draw an arc this like. The intersecting point is taken as C, 6 centimeters. At C we need to keep 120 degrees angle. Take with some convenient radius, draw an arc this like. Here onwards, first arc is 60 degrees. Second arc is 120 degrees children. Right, this is the second arc. Now join the CY ray passing through these 2 points. Draw a ray CY making the angle CY. This is 120 degrees. Now CD how much given children for us? 4 centimeter. Take 4 centimeters on the scale. On the scale, take C as center, draw one more arc. Arc intersecting the CY ray at D. Now join CD. Join AD. Join AD. ABCD is the required trapezium. Once again, I have to say the steps of construction and analysis. What is the analysis? AB is equal 8 centimeters, BC is equal 6 centimeters, angle B 60 degrees. This is given. We know that angle B plus angle C 180. From this onwards angle C is 120 degrees came for us children. Afterwards, first take AB as the base, draw a ray BX making an angle 60 degrees. From B onwards with 6 centimeters radius cut the arc, intersecting point is named as C. At C near we need to keep 120 degrees, draw a ray CY. C onwards with 4 centimeters radius cut this ray at D. Join AD. ABCD is the required trapezium. Steps of construction children. Take AB is equal to 8 centimeters as the base of trapezium. Quadrilateral kaadu trapezium. Second point, draw a ray BX making an angle 60 degrees. Third step, with 6 centimeters radius, draw a ray intersecting the BX, draw an arc intersecting the BX ray at C with 6 centimeters radius, B as center. Fourth one, draw a ray CY making an angle 120 degrees with C as center. Fifth one, draw an arc intersecting the CY ray at D with 4 centimeters radius with the C as center. Join AD. Seventh point, ABCD is the required trapezium, children. This is the construction of trapezium for us. Tomorrow class we need to conduct the last exercise problems, construction of rhombus, 2 problems, and construction of a square with having diagonals. Okay children, this is the end of the class. Practice this one and post it in our WhatsApp group. Bye children.